Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 4 power t minus 2 power t, and this equals 1. We are solving for all values of t that satisfies this equation. Remember, 4 is a perfect square, which is 2 to the power of 2. We have 2 to the power of 2 raised to the power of t minus 2 to the power of t. This equals 1. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of m, this equals a power m raised to the power of n. So if you observe the exchange of powers, so these two come outside and the t will come inside. So we are going to have 2 to the power of t raised to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of t equals 1. So the essence of doing this is because you want to equate this 2 power t and 2 power t to a variable. So you can say let y equals 2 power t. If that is the case, you are going to have y power 2 minus y, because this 2 power t is y. There's another 2 power t again, which is y, and this equals 1. From here, I can have y power 2 minus y, and move this one over here, it becomes minus 1, and this equals 0. So this is a quadratic equation that we are going to solve using the formula method. I have y equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2a. So the coefficient of y squared here is 1. That is our a. The coefficient of y here is negative 1. And that is b. And this negative 1 here is c. So from here, we are going to have y equals, this is negative b. There is negative 1 here, which is our b. We have negative times negative 1 plus or minus square root of b squared is negative 1 to the power of 2 minus 4 times a is 1 times c is negative 1. So this is divided by 2a, that is 2 times 1. Right from here, we have y equals negative times negative 1. This is 1 plus or minus square root of, this will give you 1. 4 times 1, 4, this minus 1 here, so this will give you plus 4. Divided by 2 times 1, this is 2. So from here, you have y equals 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now this is y, so recall we had y equals 2 power t. Remember this? So we are going to solve in respect to t. We have 2 power t equals 1 plus or minus the square root of 5 divided by 2. Now what we are going to do is we simply have this is 2 power t equals 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Or we have 2 power t equals 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. Now this is positive. This will give you positive as well because it is positive. And this is positive. This will give you negative because this root 5 is obviously greater than 1. That means 1 is less than root 5. So this will give you negative. So we are not going to consider this. And you are going to neglect this because this will result in complex solutions. So we consider this real solution and let's solve for this. So that means we are simply going to have this is 2 power t. We have 2 power t equals 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. We can take the log. We have log 2 power t equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Now if you have log a power b, this equals b times log a. And also if you have log a divided by b, this equals log a minus log b. We apply this identity right here, and we apply this other identity right here. So right now, let's apply the first identity here, that means the t come behind the log. So we are simply going to have t times log 2 equals, we apply this other identity right here. So we are going to have log 1 plus root 5 minus log 2. So what we are going to do will be to divide this by log 2. Divide this by log 2. So what happens here is that log 2 eliminates log 2. So you have t equals log 1 plus root 5 minus log 2 divided by log 2. So from here, can have t equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by log 2 minus log 2 divided by log 2. We are dividing by the common denominator. So what happens here is this cancels this. So we have t equals log 1 plus root 5 divided by log 2. Then this is minus 1. Now remember, log a divided by log b equals log a to the base of b. So what we are going to get is t equals log 1 plus root 5 to the base of 2 minus 1. So this is our answer.